Oh yes, we just got here. I just got into this couch. Already beautiful. You're not gonna believe this place is so beautiful. I've really underestimated, and not that I doubted, but the beauty of Josini Tiger Lodge. Here is Josini Tiger Lodge. If you look right that way, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the Josini Dam. We're gonna be going on a sundowner cruise. I saw that on one of the activities that we're gonna be doing today. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get to the room, unpack and unwind, and get onto the cruise. Woo! Dit gaan lekker wees. It's gonna be great.
Morning, I'm Kessia. I've been at Josini Tiger Lodge for the last 8 and a bit years, doing the activities for the guests, arranging it and coordinating it. Josini Tiger Lodge was opened officially in 2010, so it's a fairly new property. We've got 70 rooms, 2 of which are self-catering, and then the rest are all catered for, which our restaurant prepares breakfast, lunch and dinners daily. At the lodge, the main attraction is tiger fishing. We are named after the tiger fish. We also have boat cruises, walking trails for nature enthusiasts, kayaking. That's very nice if you are looking to be a bit more fit. And then we also have pedal boating and then town tours for people that haven't been in Josini.
That is a boat pedaling for you. I'm stiff, but I heard we're going for a massage early on, so they're gonna have to please sort this section on as well as this section. In fact, all of it. That's all coming up later. I'm so excited.
My name is Ishmael Mede. I'm working here at Tiger Lodge. I'm a guide, also a guide who's doing the hiking trails. I started my hiking trails from 2010 up until today. We got so many things on hikes that can take you along to walk. We got nice spots where you can take photos. We got butterflies on my walking trails, including the indigenous plants.
Wow, that's it. I cannot believe it. Check here. I can even do this. Now that's what happens when you're at my age. You can do this. You've been for some paddle boating as well as a good massage. Well, sad part. Can I cry? No, what must I do? No, must I cry? No, I can't. It's our way. We're on our way. It's time for us to go. Josini Tiger Lodge has been a dream. You have to come along.